likes these things called Fidgets. I got one. My boy got one. What's up, Hayden? Y'all, this is my little bro. I'm gonna say he is, but he really ain't. But you know what? He like family. He there for me. Yeah. Fidgets, Nikki. Alright, so we gonna do something funny. And I'm gonna see if it actually works. I don't know for sure. Alright, yeah. So we gonna do this some funny shit. Alright. So, who's ready to see a fast motherfucking spinner? Cause I can show you.
Hold it.
Hold up. I might not be able to do it. I might have to do it like this. Yeah. Alright, go Hayden. Go ahead. It's your birthday. Alright, stop. Look at that. Look at that, y'all.
Let it rain.
Make it rain on it, baby. Are you doing one too?
It's not leveled up. You're not pointing it at it.
I can't right now. Alright, stop. See, that's the first thing that we had in mind. Sorry. It was my thing is going dead. I'm sorry.
What?
But yeah. That's the first thing we decided we were gonna try to do.
What are we gonna do next?
I don't know what we're gonna do next, bruh. But we need to do something. Say hey.
Hey, I'm your mate.
Yeah, motherfuckers. Nah, bro. No.
I'm gonna show them. Oh, no.
Alright, so I'm gonna show you. I just graduated. Graduation was amazing.
What do we get?
Is it showing it? I just graduated, yeah. So, Carbon Hill High School, 2017.
Oh, I got
18 years old.
I got something we can do.
Hush up, Hayden. I'm trying to do my shit.
I got nothing.
I'm sorry, my little brother is annoying. Sometimes you gotta ignore him. But like I was saying, I just graduated. I'm 18. I'm looking for a job. I'm getting my shit straight. Fidget spinners is the life, though. Peace.
Dude,
Just kidding. I'm back. My little brother wants to show y'all something. Something very special. Specialer than Luke, Brian, Lil Yachty, Lil Wayne, Eminem, all them motherfuckers. You hear me? All of them motherfuckers. Fidget spinners roll.
Wait, I'm not done yet. Okay.
Yee. 2 of them? Oh, did you just make my lunch? Don't do 2 of them in your hand. I'm telling you. Do not do it.
Okay.
Subscribe, though. If you want...
Look at it.
Subscribe if you want to see more videos. Subscribe.
Look good.
Say Loot Dog.
Load dog.
Loot Dog!